Welcome to the Labster Faculty Resource page. Here you can find all the information you need to easily integrate Labster's virtual lab simulations into your science courses. To get started, open the Simulations tab to browse, play, and review Labster's hundreds of virtual lab simulations. Select a course package to see a list of core and relevant titles in that subject area. You can view each simulation's learning objectives, descriptions, quiz questions, and theory material, as well as watch a screencast recording and even play the simulations by clicking on the title. Labster allows you to mix and match any combination of simulations from any package, whatever you need to fit your course. To see our full list of simulations, view the complete course package. On the Teacher Resources tab, you'll find further information about teaching with and assigning Labster simulations. This includes videos, best practices, stories from other educators, and more. Instructors who have decided to add the simulations to their learning management system may also see an Upload to LMS tab where they can select, download, and then import their chosen simulations into their LMS course. Used by educators and students around the world, Labster has been shown to dramatically improve student outcomes and engagement throughout the science curriculum. The simulations can be used as homework assignments, pre-lab exercises, classroom supplements, or full laboratory replacements. The labs are automatically graded and easily trackable through an instructor dashboard, which shows student results and progress in real time. Labster's simple setup process means you can get your students started in just a few easy steps. Set up access from within your learning management system or directly from the Labster website. All that students need to play is a laptop or desktop computer and the Chrome or Firefox web browser. More information can be found on this page and elsewhere in the Labster website. If you have any questions, please contact your Labster representative or reach out to us via chat. Labster, empowering the next generation of scientists to change the world.